Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. We're in the midst of the polar vortex that's gripping North America, and I want a hot meal tonight. So I'm putting together a cheesy French onion pork loin dish. This is a one-pot dish that's fried, simmered, and broiled. So let's see what we're gonna need. I have 1 pork loin chop per person, as well as flour for both dusting and coating and eggs for dredging. I've got my French onion soup here, although if you'd like, you could substitute golden mushroom. I have salt and pepper for seasoning, along with a 1/4 cup of sherry. We start by pounding and tenderizing these pork loin chops. So let's get started. I've removed all but about a tablespoon of this oil. We're going to deglaze with the sherry. And I've mixed about a 1/2 cup of water in with the French onion soup. And we're adding our pork back in. We're going to let this come back up to a simmer, but we also want to spoon this over the top of each of these. Time to give our pork chops a taste. I'm serving mine with mashed potatoes and steamed peas. Get a little bit of mashed potato on here as well. Perfect. Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. We're in the midst of the polar vortex that's gripping the northern United States, so I want a hot meal tonight. I'm putting together cheesy French onion pork loin chops. They're making so much racket. Thank you for visiting Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.